Yes, I just hope that y'all also give lots of love to the song. You know, आजकल बहुत सारे गाने रिलीज हो रहे हैं और हिट इसीलिए होते हैं क्योंकि you guys go watch it and watch it again and again on loop, and that's why these songs are such big hits. So please help me make this song a hit, and I would really appreciate that. Oh, I saw Gautam here. Hey Hegde, how are you? Thank you, Gautam. Gautam wishes my mom and Neha happy Women's Day. Thanks, Gautam. How have you been? Oh, travel destination Kashmir is here. Malik, आपका पार्सल मिल गया है. So Malik, this travel destination Kashmir, if you can see, Malik trained me for skiing when I was in Gulmarg, and he was so good at what he's so good at what he does, and so sweet of him. He sent me rajma from Kashmir and walnuts, और मुझे मिल गए हैं मलिक, और शुक्रिया आपने भेजा. बहुत मज़ा आया. आज ही बने थे इनफैक्ट राजमा घर पर. आयान loves rajma. So yes. So let's take a few names now. Vikram 1368, Anit A8609, Khushbu hi, Pooja hi, Sheikh Tawheed. Should I take somebody live? Let's see if we can. Oh, love from Maldives. So many people are going from. So many people, are going to Maldives nowadays. Even I want to go. Wajid Malik, Noora Ansari. Hello. Let's see the request. Anybody wants to come live with me right now? Okay, let's see. How's my long hair, by the way?
Very good.
Hi, Shalini.
Hi, Arjun.
कैसे हैं आप?
Sir, I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you so much. और आप हो कहाँ से? Where are you from?
इशू आ गया.
आप कहाँ से हो?
सर आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली. सर आप कहाँ पे हो सर? सर आप मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगते हो.
Thank you.
हाँ जी सर, आप मैं कर रही हूँ सर.
चलो वेरी गुड. दिल्ली दिल वालों की नगरी है, एंड मैं जब भी दिल्ली आता हूँ मुझे
सर आप
बहुत मजा आता है.
नागिन भी बहुत हॉट एंड. हाँ जी.
Issue 6143. Okay. It's a request. Trisha Chakma. Who wants to? Okay, let me say. Let's see.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Happy Women's Day.
Really fine, and thank you so much, and happy Women's Day to your wife, everyone in your family who is a woman. My God, I just can't believe you seriously added me. I'm
Yes,
your
why
big
not?
fan from the time I started seeing Mile Jab Hum Tum. Best role. Seriously, my childhood was awesome only because of your show. Thank you.
Thank you.
God.
I think everybody loves Mile Jab Hum Tum. And I
Yes,
still get
yes.
a lot of
Everyone.
compliments.
I don't know why people are not.
Everybody. जितने भी पूरा कास्ट एंड क्रू है मिले जब हम तुम, एवरीवन वाज वेरी यंग एंड वाइब्रेंट एंड सब मतलब it's everybody's input in that show that made it such a huge success, and of course Seema and Sudhir were the producers.
Definitely,
And Star One.
definitely. In fact, I was in 7th standard when I used to watch your show. Every time when I used to go to the school in school bus,
I
the
was in
whole
the
bus
6th
was
standard when I
discussing.
did that show.
I'm bigger than you. Don't say that. No, come on. You're joking this time.
Of course I'm joking.
Arjun, thank you so much for adding me. It's been an honor for me. Thank you so much. I'm a big your fan. Seriously, I'm a big fan.
Thank you so much. It's been an honor to talk to you, and happy Women's Day.
Thank you,
have a
Arjun.
blast,
Thank you so
I
much.
think
Thank you.
every day is Women's Day anyways. But मुझसे पूछो, अब मेरे घर में तो रोज ही
I'm sorry. Yeah, of course. Sure. I'm just waiting for my husband to come home, and then definitely I'm going to get a blast today.
Yes, just have a blast.
Thank you, Arjun.
Okay,
Thank you
take
so
care. Have a
much.
good day.
You too. Take care. Thank you.
Bye. That was Kashish. और बताइए क्या सा जा रहा है आपका Women's Day? मुस्कान, ओके चलो, मुस्कान कहती है मेरा सपना ही रह जाएगा, तो चलो देखते हैं अगर ये सपना मुस्कान खान 143002, मैंने आपको ऐड किया लेकिन वो वेटिंग बता रहा है, सो आई डोंट नो. Sorry मुस्कान, I tried it. मेरा भी सपना है आपसे बात करना. ओके ठीक है. विनीशा 0287.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Happy Women's
Nice.
Day.
आप कैसे हो? Thank you. मुझे तो बिलीव नहीं हो रहा है कि आप बात कर रहे हो.
चलिए चूटी काट लीजिए थोड़ा ऐसे.
क्या मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकती हूँ?
ऑफ कोर्स ले सकती हैं आप. ले लिया आपने?
थैंक यू. और आप कैसे हो?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. आज
मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ
पर आप सबके साथ में.
मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ आपकी. मैं आपको नागिन आपकी हर सीरियल देखी है मैंने.
चलो थैंक यू सो मच.
बिलीव नहीं हो कि आप मुझे ऐड करोगे सीरियसली.
अरे मेरा
मतलब
बस चले ना तो मैं ऐसे मल्टी स्क्रीन पे सबको ऐड करके सबसे एक साथ बात
एक्चुअली ना मतलब आप जब भी आते थे ना लाइव तो मैं आपको देखती नहीं. आप जब भी आते थे ना मैं देखती थी. सोचा कि चलो अगर आज ऐड किया तो किया. एक बार ख्वाहिश तो पूरी होगी.
It's called the law of attraction. पता है law of attraction ही होता है जो आप सच्ची पॉजिटिवली दिल से कुछ भी सोचो, चाहे दुनिया की कोई भी चीज़ हो, वो आपके साथ हो जाएगी अगर आप उसको सोचते रहो बार बार. और अगर आप कोई नेगेटिव थॉट सोचोगी तो वो भी होगा, और पॉजिटिव सोचोगी तो वो भी होगा. So I just want to tell everybody who's listening कि law of attraction really works. So always have positive thoughts and always keep thinking whatever you want and work for it and it will happen. Okay?
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके.
ठीक है, शुक्रिया. You have a good day, okay?
थैंक यू. वैसे मैं मराठी हूँ.
मराठी आहेस?
हाँ मराठी आहे.
खूप शुभेच्छा आणि
थँक यू.
सगळ्यांबरोबर एन्जॉय कर आज तू.
थँक यू. ही माझ्या बहिणीची मुलगी आहे. तिच्यासोबत
हाय. हॅपी विमेन्स डे.
थँक यू. अजून एक स्क्रीनशॉट.
हा घे.
थँक यू.
ओके, यू टेक केअर. बाय.
बाय.
Okay, now one more person I'm going to go live with, and then I'm going to celebrate Women's Day at home. Okay. Okay, chalo. Off ye unicorns. Hello. Baby. Hello. I think. Hi. आप कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हो. Okay, I think there's some network issue. Okay, a huge fan from Tamil Nadu. Okay. अपने साउथ से किसी से बात करते हैं.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Sorry for not showing my face, sir. I'm in my
Why?
uniform.
It's okay. No problem. What uniform is this?
My school uniform, sir. I'm your biggest
That's not a
fan.
problem. It's okay if you're in your school uniform. It's not a problem.
But sir, I wish to convey you that I'm your biggest fan from Tamil Nadu. I
Thank
used
you
to
so
see
much.
all the serials, web series.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Vidhi.
At last,
Thank you
show
so
my
much.
face, sir.
No problem. No problem. It's but happy Women's Day, and study hard, and have a wonderful day.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir. Sir, shall I take a screenshot?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you for adding me in your life, sir. I'm feeling
Thank you.
nervous because you are my favorite hero. And
Thank you so much.
whenever you are coming live, I'll be asking, kindly add me in your life. But thankfully, you have added me now. I'm feeling happy, sir.
I'm glad I made your day, and you have a wonderful Women's Day.
Thank you so much, sir. This is
Okay,
the best
bye.
moment you give for me. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so I think it's been great talking to all you guys. I've come live after a long time, and बहुत मजा आया आप सबसे बात करके. And just have a great day. Always keep me in your prayers. Always pray for my family. And जब भी कुछ काम करूँ, कुछ आए तो देखिएगा ज़रूर. I think without that I wouldn't be who I am. So please keep supporting me and showering all the love that you all have been doing over the years. Take care. Happy Women's Day once again, and have a blast.